Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to combine multiple columns in Excel into one column in with line break. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Excel workbook. Now we want to combine this multiple column into one column with line break. At first, select any cell, then write a formula. At first, write is equal to on our keyboard, then select the value, then write and on our keyboard and write the char formula, then start the first bracket and write 10, then end the first bracket and again write the and select the second value and again write and select the char formula. Then write again the first bracket and write 10, then end the first bracket, then write the and then write the last value and press enter, then select the cell and resize the row. Select the cell row and select this wrap text option and resize the row. Now we can see we make the multiple column into one column with line break easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.